Hey everybody! In this video I'm cutting the sheets of clapboard siding. The size of the clapboard and seam is 3/8 of an inch. This also comes in 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, and I purchased these sheets from miniatures.com, and there are 10 sheets in a package. The first thing I'm doing is measuring the siding against the back wall of the house, and then I'm seeing how many sheets will fit. Use an X-Acto knife or a utility knife to cut the siding, and be sure you have a new blade. It will take a few swipes with the knife to cut the siding, and then you should be able to gently snap off the excess. I use painter's tape to hold the siding and my ruler down so they don't move while I'm cutting. And now I have the correct width for all the pieces. Here I'm showing how the siding rests onto the next piece, so when it's on the house, you shouldn't be able to tell where the seams are. On the back of the house, I'm showing you that I want to cover up this seam, and I'm measuring from the bottom of the foundation to the bottom of the siding on each side so it gets put on straight. As I put each piece of siding on, I'm using a pencil to trace the door and window openings so I know where to cut. Be careful on how you place the siding. It's easy to get it turned upside down. And now I'm ready to cut all the openings, which I'll do off camera. After cutting out the door and window openings, I'm taping the pieces back on to ensure it all fits properly. I'm test fitting the windows and the door to see if any of the pieces need trimming, but it seems everything fits well. And now I'll move on to the front wall. Since the width of the front wall is more narrow than the back side, I'm cutting out the openings as I go along and then taping them in place. I really love those solid pieces where I don't have to cut out anything but the edge. And now making sure all the windows fit. Sometimes you'll get a ding in the siding or you'll accidentally cut a piece too long, but the good news is that in most cases, the trim will cover it up. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thanks for watching.